Hello, my name is Nursing Bible and it is called Peek-A-Bliss. We are going to see the Bible. It's called
Sneeze on Monday.
Season Monday.
My name is Veena. Our initiative Peek-A-Bliss aims at promoting the habit of book reading in children. We love to read books in different languages: English, Hindi, Spanish, and
Frenchie!
let's begin. Sneeze on Monday. Sneeze on Monday. Sneeze for danger. Sneeze on Tuesday. Kiss a stranger. Sneeze on Wednesday. Get a letter. Sneeze on Thursday. Something better. Sneeze on Friday. Sneeze for sorrow. Sneeze on Saturday. See your sweetheart tomorrow.
And it's
Adios.
another story.
Another
Another story.